Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate income online, and with the right strategies, reaching 100K per year is achievable. Choosing profitable niches and high-paying affiliate programs is essential for success. Focus on niches with high demand and conversion rates, such as health, finance, tech, and personal development. An established online presence helps drive traffic and increases affiliate sales, making it easier to scale. Create valuable content like blog posts, product reviews, and tutorials. High-quality content drives engagement and conversions. Email marketing is one of the best ways to increase conversions and build long-term relationships. Create lead magnets, such as free resources to build your email list. While organic traffic is important, paid traffic can speed up the scaling process. Using ads can help you reach specific demographics and drive targeted traffic. The right tools help streamline your efforts and save time. Diversifying your income streams is key to hitting 100K per year. Tracking performance and making adjustments is critical for sustained growth. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve your 100K goal in affiliate marketing.